New heavy-duty non-motorized scooter has arrived. Can take up to 100 kg. So we pray.
So let's start this unboxing. First step is very carefully attach. Okay. And then the screw for the lid. Fully assembled. It's got instruction booklet. There's some Allen keys. It's got a cord so that we can carry it around. Okay. Put the box to one side. Take it out of the plastic. See, it's fully assembled. It's heavy duty and non-motorised, so ECD control, it should be legal. Alright, here we go. Here we go, let's hold it straight.
Excellent. Great. First step is, let's put it upright. Oh. Look at that. Looks good. Excellent. Now I'm going to put the handlebars in. Quite simple. That goes up. Snapped in just like that. And this should be fidgety. I want the brake lever to be behind there, not in front of it. And the brake cable should be in front of it, then you should be able to get it in. There we go. These push button things should line up with that hole, and we should be able to just pop them in. That's it. Press and push them. It's got a kickstand. Let me show you the kickstand. Here it is. And then you push this down for safety. Push this lever up. Excellent. Can't tell if it's got disc brakes. Not bad. It's got springs at the back. It's got springs at the front. And we can extend it, adjust the height of it to quite a long way. So we go now, here it is. So it's got all these notches. So just pull it up. That's one. Let's go one more. That's it. And then lock it. That's it. It's a wonderful scooter. It's got back brakes. Reinforced aluminium plate. There's a brake here for your foot, and it's got disc brakes as well. It's got quite 20 centimeter wheels with 5 bearings. looks amazing. And when you want to close it, I think just one touch. One touch. That's it.